If you love to golf, the last thing you want to do is hobble around in pain because you're putting off hip or knee replacement surgery. That's why we want to introduce you to a world-renowned orthopedic surgeon who's developed an unparalleled, less invasive procedure that results in a quicker and more effective recovery. Dr. Richard Berger of Midwest Orthopedics at Rush in Chicago joins us now. Teddy Koukoulis is a former pro golfer and golf coach, and Teddy was back playing. He was playing golf 3 weeks after his knee replacement surgery. Both gentlemen here with us now. Good morning. How are you doing today?
Good morning. It's so great to be here. Thanks for having us.
So great
Thank
to
you.
have both of you. And you two are gearing up for an exciting event in Winter Haven on April 12th, right?
Yes, we are.
Yes,
We're
we
gonna
are.
have-
We're having a wonderful event that Teddy is sponsoring that's open to the public. Everyone can come and meet us and find out more about what you're going to hear about.
Cool. Okay. Well, Doctor, we'll share more information on that. But Dr. Berger, I understand you have performed more joint replacements than any physician in the U.S. Tell us about your unique procedure for hip and knee replacement and why people from around the world are coming to see you.
You know, I'm fortunate to be able to help so many people, from famous politicians and movie stars and athletes to ordinary people like you and I. In fact, I've helped over 25,000 people with my minimally invasive surgery. That's hip and knee replacement without cutting the muscles, ligaments, and tendons. So you recover much faster with less pain, less swelling, and more importantly, overall, the joint performs more normally. Since it doesn't heal with scar tissue, you maintain your normal tissue. It just works better like the joint you had years ago. Plus, we have figured out all the logistics involved. So everything is arranged before you come in. So we do the physical therapy afterwards. Everything's arranged. We try to make this as easy as it possibly can to not disrupt your life and get you back playing golf or tennis or just walking the dog around the block, whatever you want to do.
Absolutely. I mentioned people are coming from all over the world. So you do a concierge telehealth program to help them because you're based in Chicago. So out-of-town patients, you make it seamless for them.
Yeah, we try to make things as easy as it can, not just the surgery and all the logistics, but even the visit. We developed what's called the BEST procedure, and that stands for Berger Elective Surgery and Telemedicine, where we marry together the surgery and telemedicine. So we'll see patients from all over the country, in fact, all over the world, on the computer first, make sure they need the surgery, arrange everything before they come in to Chicago. You still have to come to Chicago to get the surgery, but then they come in, spend a day or two here, fly back home. We do then everything back home with them. We do follow-up visits with them. We try to make this as easy and as painless as possible.
Teddy, we want to hear your story. When did you decide, you know what, I've got to do this, time to get the knee replaced?
Well, I think I knew, 9 years ago that I needed it. And I went to many doctors and, they all kept telling me the same thing. You got to wait, you're not old enough. And, one doctor told me, when you can't go to the grocery store, that's when you need it. And yet, you make decisions around your life and lifestyle that affect other people besides yourself, going on vacation and things like that. And you're dealing with knee pain and the inability to do certain things. So I had heard about Dr. Berger from somebody that I knew and respected. And long story short, I just started doing some research. And at first, I just was amazed because I've known many people that have had knee replacements, and it just didn't go that well. And so I believed in the procedure, and I believed in his team, and I booked the appointment online. I did x-rays locally down here in Winter Haven, and they made it so simple. And I just had a bunch of confidence, and I was prepared mentally. I was prepared physically. They gave me protein drinks to drink. They gave me exercise to do ahead of time. They went through all the medicines that I'm going to need. And I just had no fear. But the main thing was, and still is always been, why did I give up 9 years of quality life? And that was just a huge mistake on my part. And I'm forever grateful for Dr. Berger. And I really have my life back.
That's wonderful to hear, Teddy. Great to talk with both of you today. And I want to let our viewers know that if they want to find out more, they can go to that event Saturday, April 12th at the Country Club of Winter Haven from 5 to 7 p.m. You see your information on the screen. Thank you both. I appreciate it.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you.